To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. When the tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. But when you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Then lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you, to fix you. High up above or down below. And when you're too in love to let it go.
Hello? Yeah.
But if you never try,
No, sir, let me hurt this time. Girl, my heart nearly took me yesterday because I find out some things about Jacko. Yeah, he picked me them when sister keep. You know, say, no, his sister called me over there yesterday, I'ma go over there. And the girl, she a tell me say, like, she a say pick me then a favor Jacko, they look like jacket. Like, she a say something like she a give me hint. Say pick me them a for Jacko. Yeah. And I believe say them a fee because from then look at him a take care of them. And I'm brother already a foreign. I always him. And I like saying brother send him money and something. I don't know. Right now I feel stressed out like I just keep it on the low because I know what my heart take me. Yeah. I could be what? Me I tell you. All yesterday when I go home and I talk to him, he say no feel I in responsibility them. Yeah, other thing I say I admit it. But me have to go find out. Me have to go find one way how to find out if I really feel picking them. Yeah. Hold on there. Shana call me. Hold on. Hello? Shan? Yeah, come? Off already? Alright. Me the right eye gate. You know the two me the eye gate. Me meet eye gate. Yeah. Yeah, me not worry myself too
So
much
not?
because I know my heart take me.
So girl, I ever live on
Later, I
phone.
go call her back.
Girl, you ever live on phone? Awa,
I don't know.
you just ever look stressed. What wrong with you?
You make me ever look stressed.
You always say live on phone, you just look stressed out.
Because
Me
me
not like when my
stress.
friend they look so,
Listen.
when me there on you can't stress. You no bother with me. Me not like that. I would
Gotcha.
call you. Again.
Yeah, girl.
Jesus Christ, the girl I can't call your phone. Me I only friend if you have
No,
never know.
no.
Where you tell me full line from now?
Yeah, girl. Me not tell us.
Girl! Call her for phone.
Relax now.
But me be
You
not
tell us I'm go call her back. Me call her back. Yeah. Yeah.
Why you stressed? Every day you have stress.
Alright. When you say you come on me.
No, me not like how as me pull a gate there right as up on phone like you been away. So what you do?
want my man already. Relax. Come, what you say you come on me yard for?
No, you have to tell me what your problem. What do you what?
What happened to you?
You tell me what do you come in like oh you the out here so you sit down for do me for me come here.
No,
do
but
me.
normally I come on me yard because they are mixed up or something.
Hey,
so.
me no mix up this trip.
Girl, I say you still have me there woman. And
No, say sitting there you know.
Jacko's sister called me. I go over there. And she tell me say Jacko not give her as much money for pitney them and something. So me I say, like mother say, so if you not, give as much money for pitney them and something. Long and short of the story. Oh she attack like say pitney them for Jacko. That's what she attack. So me I say, I don't like say Jacko pitney them and brother foreign pitney them. So where you going so far if you in the give that the amount of money there? First and foremost, things you 30 grand in gear, you say 15. So I don't understand what really are going on. So.
Somebody tell lie.
Exactly, that's my point, girl. So when I go home, I talk to Jacko about it. Jacko attack like say nothing pitney them. So I don't know what I go on. I don't know if a Jacko pitney me, I have to go find out one way. Or if I find out if I feel pitney or something.
You know say man lie.
I don't know.
And you know say you can't breathe.
Sean, why you have to do that?
Man lie and you can't breathe. And I tell it.
So,
Then, and I tell
no, listen. Why more to worry myself about it? How much years me and Jacko there, right?
then
If you have a pitney,
the man lie and you can't breathe and you the stress over 3 months situation. We are time hard right now. The chocolate tea and no bikini. The you can't get none. Let me tell you that I leave.
about that.
Aye, that I leave a fear stress. You don't want to me stress and problem like that.
What fear stress?
You don't know what say. Who am I live?
You and your brother? Down.
Alright, you don't know what say. Me have some money in a my jar. Then I plan for the money and I plan with the money and the money I plan with me. Me stay so boom now this morning. Go in the jar, dig up the jar, I look for money. Can't find money.
Oh.
And me don't know if I foot the money gain or a wings, the money take and fly gone, the money gone. And me don't know where the money gone. And that's my problem.
Oh, that's your
I have
problem?
enough money.
Shana, that's your problem. You know,
You
say
this
you're a
a
little idiot.
What I mean?
You know, say you're a fool. You don't have no sense. So me
Hey,
too,
girl.
God, you come and me yard come tell me say money take up foot and walk and wings and gone.
Then what me feel?
No. Why you leave? No, you your brother. No must your brother nimble finger them take your money
No,
and
my
gone.
brother not do that, girl.
Your brother not do that.
My brother will always for me brother. We always ask me for me
My
money.
brother. And me come
You
here
know, say
yard
I
come
know
take
one
your
good
money.
friend. Me da believe say you for true.
I mean,
Cause you over there last week. And you, anybody fi take your money are you. I mean, know my brother not take me money. Girl, up to this morning, and me and Willie call the furniture man and the cement man and feed things for money for we buy for furniture them and the cement them. Willie not do that, girl. So nobody come go like say you want put.
you me remember you just tell me say man lie. Your brother lie.
Me a talk about
Your
man
brother
when we
man.
asleep with me not talk about my brother.
Your brother a man too.
My brother
No,
not
I
do
want
that.
a vagina and you split.
Hey girl, you hear me say my brother not do that?
I know that. Come on to me yard.
You know say I know what true you have baby stress and man stress you
Yes.
want. Me fi go and go stress with my brother. Still
Go
your
and
man
stress with your brother thief your money.
I don't know.
Nobody else now come here
And
yard come
anybody
thief
fi
your
take
money.
your money and you. That's why me no come a girl
That's why
yard
I
like
don't come
you.
a people yard.
And that's why me no come a girl yard like you. A man who make a stress you. Before you make asset stress you. You don't make man and
When me go
pity.
make that
Then
stress,
me
me have
coulda-
all of that already. You fool.
Wait.
Come on to me yard.
You don't have a child. I hit the
Come
stress
help
you.
you come on.
I hit the stress you. Pick me have 4 and want somebody to take them from me like you and make man and pick me stress you.
Yeah, them to stress me.
Go in and go put your
Yes,
money in
sir.
a bag, girl. I did try to give me a fool like boy you make pick me and man and stress you. Somebody, it's a girl. Hey, that girl me a mix up Mix up.
So you just come so strong.
So me
This
not
way I think somebody dead.
somebody aggravated. Yeah. You don't know what say. You want Marika after me go link the girl, you know. See girl.
How name America?
Wait a minute, you don't know Marika.
How name so again?
You don't know Jacko woman.
Oh!
You know, so me have to go lick sense in my head.
No, me never.
You don't know what say. Go on a girl yard. See girl turn up and gate, you know. Lie me a tell me, call the girl. And tell the girl say me a come link her, show her one pray. Me see mom's look stressed out, so me a say enter. You know, say if me have one friend, me no really like see them look certain way. Me no really business with them, you know, but me no like see them look certain. So me say, girl, how are you? He say, nothing to me. So me say, girl, what are you? You must say, Jacko have a picnic. And I do like say I don't feel picnic. And you don't know what you believe. And the girl can't breathe, you know.
Me myself there can't breathe either.
You feel no way?
You know, see me I live my life.
Okay.
See,
Friend like
I'm
you,
a
me like.
bartender. What the
Friend like
now we are nowadays, so me don't know.
friend like you, me like. You see a stress bomb man and Pitney when me they run from.
Girl, look for me.
Before,
You know, see how me nice.
look there, cushy.
Me top stress.
Fully.
Where stress I go?
Stress only make you take off weight and make you look like you're
Exactly. Exactly.
I don't know what say, girl, I want nest before a girl left the boy. And go up.
She want to slap in a fear head. Me not stress about no man.
Listen up. You just want in a people business and you not listen.
Oh.
If me that the girl away, me I take my girl money, you know. Me I take my money and buy a car, buy a house, do this girl stress out. After me go fi tell the girl say me have much money in my jar and him money come like say take up food gone, him will tell me say I will do it. Right.
Willie.
You want me lick your head again? My brother Willie girl, you lose focus. Cigarette and get to you.
Willie.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, if you know what me know, you would have think I him do it. Well,
You too. Yeah, right too.
I'm just saying because his friend did who me and his friend could pay me and I him pay.
Willie.
Where you get money from?
Willie pay how much money?
His friend did one me $4,000 and he Willie took out $5,000 give me and say, alright, keep it change.
Yeah.
Yeah. And go about him business.
But Willie not have money.
Come over here and look me about him have money and him have meat and this and that, blah blah blah.
Me, Shani now up.
Yeah, so where you get it from?
You see, if me ever have a leaf, just a little hint, like so. Say him take money.
Me say him a walk a issue money still, so me know. And that me here right, so me then none of that me here.
You never see smoke without fire. And that's why I want Marika go on so. Or talk about how.
Well,
Look like she gets some money too.
I don't know.
Me
Like
get,
me always say me always there work, so.
me go get down to the bottom of this. Me still nobody can tell me say. And my brother take the money. Willie not take my money. It's not Willie. I know Willie. And this morning, me borrow Willie phone, and call the furniture place and tell him say, "More one dresser set." Willie not do that. So you are trying to brainwash me against my brother.
Me
I tell
no,
him
me
keep it
no such
me for
man.
some reason me feel like say you see yesterday I said do like you don't know Marika come and me and come take your money and no share and want to say my brother. Two of them.
This a girl.
Me not trust you.
Me, I don't
Wanda,
have
me not
time
trust
for. You know, me not have time for you walk and take people money. You see what me there? Me there walk.
Hey
Me
girl.
walk for my own.
Me
Me
just-
a independent girl. Me no walk and beg.
Me just deal with Marika, you have to make me come and replace come deal with you. What make you stay so? You know say me not like you like you.
I'm just saying, if you want to believe, you don't believe. Me not say your brother. I'm just saying.
Me go left your place. Me go left your place. I say, hey, you find out say America spend my money? Or be unto Jesus with it all. You want to look witch too. You don't like all you know. You don't like no. You America is same thing. You do like you don't know America. It's all not
But
tea.
what could I really cause this for me in this? Hey, me want nobody else Yes, come on my bar. No, we don't mix up, right? Let me go call. I want to boy your name again. Sometimes I don't remember their name. I don't know what kind of name that their mother give them. Their mother must never like them. Me can never yet call this idiot and get film phone. Hello. Yeah, I'm your friend number. What your name? Willie. What? No, sir. No. Me and Willie doing nothing. It's just that I want to start up some business, some money stealing and go on and my name I get involved. I'm going to stab somebody. Someone want number, just pass on the number quick and fast. Please and thank you. Alright, thanks. Hello. You not come bother with it now, no. Because me call you feel like say you have all powers over me. Anyways, when me hear say I go on. Because your sister just approach me a while ago, you know. I'm not like how she a go on. She says she a miss money and me see you as walk as pen like you and me. So how that go? From me, know you me never yet see her work, so where you get money from? Hey, one thing me have to tell you, you know. You see this miss money business, I don't want me name a call up. You realize me have my little business right there, so? And it take time to kick off. I don't want to hear me name, I no mix up. If you realize me stay far from mix up. So you see, if you know say you are taking sister money, you try go approach her, please. Because she just left my bar a while ago. And she has suspect me and Marika. Hey, and I don't have to crucify somebody. So here when I say no, me just call if you want you. So you see, if you take the people their money, you try to bring you back. Coming in a way, you know. What you mean? Hey, me mad you know. And I don't have to find you. Me just call if you deliver a message still. Coming after time for you. Come off my phone. Have a lovely evening. Right.
Babe,
Babes,
yeah?
what's why in there? Where you there? Where you come from?
I did there in my yard.
Babes,
How you look so?
babes, I'm stressed out.
Why you are stressed, boy, for me? You are stressed.
The business what me talk about.
Me not tell us I'm going to buy them tomorrow.
What babes, the money in the jar.
What you mean by saying money in a jar? Me left the money in a jar.
Babes, the money in the jar.
The
Before me
money
reach, I
in
say you
there.
know much time you use the bathroom. Me stress out.
And me take out the money out of the jar and put it where me put it.
So babes, if you take out the money, you don't deal with the thing, you don't get the furniture them.
Me say tomorrow me go buy them.
Babes,
And me tell Willie say Willie call the people them today.
me not trust Willie, you know.
What you mean by say you not trust Willie? You are one of them too.
Babes, I tell you something. I your brother, you know. I know you respect him and love him, you know. What the year, you know, me give the boy money for gas superfly and you know come, you know. He
Here
need
again.
half the money, you know.
Here again.
And now the money miss up. Why me feel sorry him, babes? Come on,
Everybody
man.
a tell me say Willie take money. You know say uno me not trust. Willie not do that, you know?
Babes, who does that?
Willie not do that.
Babes, and me. Your man, your soulmate. Babes, and me. Boo, you not trust me?
Yeah man, you sold me. Boo, you not trust me. Willie, it don't matter what you gonna tell me, say Willie not take my money. You
Babes,
can't talk about Will.
Babes. me know say love what you have for your brother. Different from female, but
Exactly.
So,
That
babes,
me a talk about.
but-
So how you do that you can have sense. Don't come go like say you want brainwash me against brother. You hear me say you want to leave Willie alone? You talk about some money in a brother. Me say me move the money. And me say tomorrow me go get it something with them.
me glad you show your brother love. But why you not show me no love like how you show your brother
I
love?
don't know what this. I don't hear it.
Jesus Christ.
I don't hear sleep when night come.
Babes,
I don't you me see every day just like come me see him.
babes, when you say I
Why
will
you
come
try to
tomorrow-
compare my brother with you?
Jesus Christ, Father God.
What are you? Watch out. Come here. Me not stress on you, I stress.
Babes,
You don't hear me say me take up the money from out of job, put it where me fi put it.
you that hot me. What you say, I'll get them tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow.
Me go use the bathroom. I go back around the yard. Me a hurry up. Me not trust your brother. You see a boy there?
Man, they stress over me and me want a personal business and you never see this yet. Make sure you say that shit up yourself. What is this?
Jacob. Oh, you're by your phone. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, so that's how go on. Alright, if I don't just send the money down my sister. Drop money for my sister. Here come the video that brother. Yeah. I'm going to really want to go on the island, I'm going to tell you now. Alright.
Jacob, sorry. Oh, I want to my phone.
Yeah, man, I want to go on.
Jacob. This is area. Okay, I will share it now.
29. No,
25. Not to, this is area, Jacob. It come like a famous sadness. Everything me do, you come like before you see positive and negative. I don't feel me hear this, Jacob. I well want this area done. Jacob, the woman me have with it. When I live with them, I sleep. But squeeze the bump in my face. You know me I talk about. You know like me I save money, me I save up some money. When me go see on boat, if say boat say sea rough and the man them have their swims in a box. Me scale for money, me I save up the money for buy some furniture.
Talking about that, you know. You remember say you went to deliver some fish and some shrimps. And me don't know what I want with them inside.
Jacob,
Eh?
I must tell us a sea rough, you know, Jacob.
Yeah, but the money not rough when you get in your pocket. What? You must make the money, you know, so somebody understand what. Me just want to know, say, you remember that, but continue.
Remember, Jacob, but remember say, listen me, I say, no man, brother, I come to talk to you and he come like, yeah, carry me down like a woman and in tea friend, brother, carry me down, Jacob.
Where you say?
Really, me not.
What
Jacob,
with them?
me I save up the money. Me tell you why, I know if you remember. Me I save some money to buy some furniture, put in the house. The one when you Willie, you know me not like him, for woman, brother. Me not like him.
That the little boy, I don't know.
What do you know me I got super fly now?
Mm.
You would say you want to go. Remember,
Yeah.
say me not rate him, you know.
Yeah.
But me do it because me love my woman. Give the boy the money now. $2,000 for pay going a super fly. $3,000 for buy one 2 or 3 Magnum and one Red Bull. Jacob, me in a super fly and me I get busy and party. You think me see Willie take me money and show me a talk about the woman better now. Now the furniture them now when me fi buy now. Jacob, me can't find the money. Me
So,
can't
you-
find the
so
money
that-
in the jar.
So you believe, say, I will take your money.
Jacob,
So what your woman said, that's the next thing I ask. What she said?
hold on.
You check her
Hold
from
on.
there?
Jacob, you come over my yard? Yes or no?
No.
No. So now you take it. Why me I go take my own money? Answer somebody. So now me take it. Me woman saw him take up the money to go buy the furniture tomorrow. But me not, Jacob. Me not believe him. Me feel like I Willie take my money. Ma take up for Willie.
Why?
You wanna call me a fool?
Eh?
Say, there's nothing what me can tell him say. But Willie. Him believe Willie, nobody can tell him nothing.
Yeah,
Jacob,
because
me
you
heart
family,
break, Jacob.
But you know, say I saw she stay already, bro. You know, say I saw that girl that Shan stay, cause you know, I woman still, you know, I'm not really like to get a certain thing, but the way how she
Jacob, me
protect-
not tell you forget tonight. Split the just. Jacob, me ain't a friend.
Yeah.
Jacob, me
yeah.
not give you a whole heap of fish, whole heap of time. Me give you free fish you don't pay for.
But
Me
then
give you a lobster, though.
yeah, but that fish when you sell and then sitting there, what it's like say, it's not like you go to sea and say, boy, alright. You know, for all of the money, what listen, me still want the money, me still want it. If a money me give for them sitting there, me need them, you know.
Yeah.
I want party, me a key, and me say to you say ropes. But me I tell you say party, and next week, So whatever you have to do for gather, what you gather, and make sure next week me get what me forget. You understand me I say?
Jaco, you look like it's straight. You see, look here, Jaco, look, are you me talk to? Style of keeping party while you're super fry. And me selling fish. Think you can cook and give the people them. He never have no problem with me. Why you have a problem? Me enough, Jaco, me enough friend, Jaco.
I was there, you know, and I realized everything runs smooth. So I said, I don't want one next edition of Superfly or whatever they call thing, and I was say, boy, because of that, why you never sort out my thing. You understand? That's how I say, me a friend, you know. We not go around nothing, you know. Hey, laugh and smile, man.
Jaco.
But I say to you, say, me no feel good for no say you lose your money. Because me a friend different because me know how me I feel.
You know that me a
Your
talk
own
about Jaco,
yard.
my belly a cut me, Jaco. You know much time me ride the bike for a morning.
Brother.
You know much time me ride the bike. Room, brrr. A 5 tissue me done, you know, Jaco. To ride the bike, you know. And the woman, Jaco, what me fi do?
What you need to do right now is figure link that boy the Willie. That the boy the Willie, you know say him have the money.
Jaco,
And it's not a if but and maybe you know say I will have the money.
Jaco, what you do?
Eh?
How much fish me figure? How much fish me
Remember say
figure?
at 10.
Jaco, me a go give 20. Follow me go link him now.
No sir. Frank somebody.
Jaco, me a
Me
go
and them
give 10 pound of fish.
Listen,
Follow me go link.
No,
Go
me,
link Willie now.
no, you alone, my boss. No man is an island, no man stands alone, but in this case, you have to stand alone for that cause. Then the little boy there, hey, here ain't loud, I beer rum and drink. A rum in just drink rum, chicken and beer. That's it.
Jaco, let me tell you something, Jaco. You see you are one good youth, you know. But you see friend should be a good person. Every time, 24 hours, 100%.
Yeah.
You is not a good friend right now.
Yeah, just right now.
You are not a good friend right now.
Yeah. Well, as them say, remember say everybody. It's just like how you have a factory
You know what I feel say?
That's my
You
factory
work
fault.
with Willie.
No, I'm not. This a boy I work with.
Jaco, you're good. Oh. You don't have the money.
You see from today? We were not full friend, now we are half friend. Take it, let me tell you that.
You're
Half friend.
You're good enough. You're good, Willie. You're good.
Why don't you search me? Okay. Yes, sir. Start saying desperate. Well, I'm going to check my record.
They say I won't make it if they can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you.
Well, I can't, but I will search. How we are going?
How that become your business?
Next your question is where you're going.
What you want to know that for?
Oh, that's what I know.
What your problem, Jaco?
My problem, Marika. So things stay down. Marika.
Where did the from morning? Then you pitney them down.
Lord have mercy.
Wow. Much ears nearly. And you hide this from me. And you expect me to be alright?
Hide what from you?
So you have pitney. Just stop lying to me, Jaco.
Why am I going to lie to you so long?
Looking at me and tell me say no feeling.
Jesus Christ, my Father. Why is this now she are putting on my face and if you looking at item? And if you looking at item,
You can't look in my face.
you don't need to look in your face. Alright, I'm looking at your face. Is not.
You not look for me.
The kids them are my responsibility.
You're responsible.
You understand me I say?
You fear them.
I feel me
Fear them, you look for them. Oh, so your brother not sending no money for them?
You mean brother not sending no money for them? Because it is family picnic where we just take care of. Because them people them migrate.
You see this is not go work out.
When I work out.
Alright, guess what me go do? Me not go give you no money for this amount of them.
Me?
Yeah.
You mean give me no money for this
Matter of fact,
amount?
give me my card.
Alright, listen now. Remember say after me and you save
Yeah.
and we put together and get the partner and we put the money in the bank and we do that.
Yeah, but and my money I have to take care of your responsibility there.
Some of it are for your money and not every bit are for your money.
Listen, me not in a back and forth with you, you know.
So because of the situation now what my sister cause, you're gonna make this relationship go downhill. That you tell me now?
Oh, me can't believe I'm in love with that liar though.
all because of this sister. She come to you now because she want money and she go mash up my relationship. And you go fall feet now and make the relationship go down the road. Eh?
Alright then.
Remember, say you can't have. I mean, I have a problem with certain things.
Jacko. And that's why, it's alright. It's alright.
But I have problem. What you talk about? Double with the car, I want you to go take you again. Me not in that situation there. Just relax yourself. All I'm saying, today is just not a good day for me. You know what happened today?
What happened
You know,
today?
say for my brethren coloring book, him know come tell me say, theme woman, right? Theme woman, get money for putting furniture in a house. You might have seen fisherman brethren me tell about.
You talk about Shan, man.
Yeah, that's such a name. No,
No,
because
Shan brother thief your money.
you hear about it?
Yeah, Shan come in my yard today.
Lord, she come here today?
She cuss me, say me come in yard come thief your money. Me we have money we can give Shan. Shan come say me thief her money with her bride self.
What I mix up them and bring pan for me thing. So me I tell you say everybody having a problem, but me I say don't put this situation as a problem.
So what you tell me
Look how
people business?
Yeah, because me I say something you have to understand say problems come and problems go, but we need to let it go. Guys, alright now she come check you and put fear stress upon you. You feel safe to stress me out with certain other things. I saw stress go. So you have to let go certain things and make them situation that bother you. So my corrupt sister now come talk to because she want money. More money for money. And then she go lick your can. People don't talk things when I hurt people, you know. People talk things for hurt people because they want to get them in a situation to make them feel vulnerable. No, you feel vulnerable and you want to come check me and me she out fine, you know. That the girl let out for hey, I don't know. She just always hard for me. I mean not me know the on the road now, I'm body to come hug up and talk to. I feel out of place. No, you see, you know how me stay. You know how me stay. Me no ease up of a thing easy. Me have a rough day. How me feel have a rough day out the road and then come home to somebody where them no want to comfort me and I'm something there.
Sorry.
You know, if you think about the reaction and gain and what them thing there. I mean, you know. Eh?
You know what I want to hug? Me don't want the hug there, so you hug me.
Yeah, because I half forgive you. So me give you half.
Oh. You
know,
make me heart take me?
No, your heart not gonna take you, come. So how we when I go?
Yeah, I spent me did not spend the rest.
Go.
Money. Shanice! Shanice! How is this a girl there? Oh, I forgot to say there. Riri! I need some tea. Because today is a very, very, very busy day. I have to collect up today. Riri! See them two pit near the door. They nah come give me strokes before time, you know. Because I a young somebody. Think I jack this. You see how jack all. I'm 25, I a young somebody jack 30 years ago and I'm 40 and I'm going to stress me out. I have to collect up the money them today. You see all ready one now near Shanice. Riri! Alright.
Right now, me late.
Top there. Can you say for me one thing? Me bust out your secret, girl.
Me not done pay you for that already. What you want?
And no matter of paying me. I saw more money you fi give me.
Oh, so me I work for me and you. Hello, right now work me I going
Hello,
have
shut
time
up,
for
come
this.
in done with it yet.
What your
Remember me
problem?
have a secret, me have a whole file.
Okay.
So don't bright yourself with me here. Other day me send contracts for your shop. And you come and come play hard upon me like you want to spile me.
Okay, so because you know a little something about me, you feel like say you can take advantage. And where you take me for? Where you take life for? Where you really and truly take life for?
You know me take life for? Eh?
Where you take me for?
And
Can
money
right
me
now
love.
me late, you know?
That
Me
is
late.
life. Money is life. So you're the right just I'll kill up yourself and me just clutch back so. Remember me have a file, you know, girl. I've never bust that, you know, you just get knocked. So when me tell you something, man, so when me come from your shop, when me come in your shop, come trust something, don't play no hand upon me. I mean, not like, you see right now more some things out of the shop. You can see bully beef we send, come give me other night. That done. So, what you do?
So actually you're hungry. You decide to tap me on the roadside and I thought about you have secret to me. Me look like me care. I don't care zero because me done make up my mind already. You see, if you don't pay that the bill there, you're not getting nothing else. So what you say now? You don't talk, me can't go about my business. Come and have time for you know, your eyeglass and what me I go.
You look like you white them on your tongue. A fool. You look like you white scalp them around your mouth, a fool. Let me tell you something.
Around for you there.
Let me tell you something, girl. You need to clean the tongue ring there, because the tongue ring there, you want justice. Let me tell you something, my girl. Me say me want to see you right now. So is either you run that or you no work for you today. No peace for you in your shop. So where you talk about? What a lie.
Liar tell. Me not have time to tell the person I go back and forth with you. So you hear what?
Let me tell you something,
can't go my business. You are right.
Any business I go about, I have to put that on the table as me reach, girl. Right now, me have money problem, yeah?
Hey, your eyeglass be not time for you, you know.
Right now, me have money problem and me cuff you. Oh. Yeah, me an idiot. Right, that's why me I turn up on time until she reach, because she don't play with me, you know. John cannot play with me. No, I'm going to go check Jack out, you know, because you see Jack are going like some big eyeglass, you know. And Jack cannot play with me and my money too. Oh. Jacko! Oh. Okay. Oh. Yeah, go on with. Yeah, eat. How are they? Snackables. You know, if you didn't see them, no. Too much salt. Well, anyways, what's Jacko there?
Oh, Jacko inside.
Jacko there inside? You know what's between me and you? Before me call Jacko. I don't understand Jacko go on with you know. Jacko no come check me and know we don't have proper money, you know. I don't understand what kind of style Jacko that I keep up, you know. Because remember good, you know. Me and my two nieces them. And me I look after them. I know Jacko can't sort me out. You know, like dirty Rasta man style, you know. See there?
Why you not call your brother overseas? Why you always Jacko?
Why are Jacko? Because Jacko will take up his man responsibilities them. So me have to look after them now. Me like a papa have to look after them. Anyways, I know Shanice can't find, you know.
What do you mean by that? Huh?
I know then we can't find Shanice.
So where is Shanice? So Jacko know?
I call Jacko and tell Jacko. I know we can't find Shanice.
So which part of the last place I see her?
Me don't know. Me don't see
so
last
place.
place.
So her sister?
She say she go for one year look for me, but I really money had Shanice there. Anyway, money me come boy, money me a talk boy. Jacko no sort me out the way me supposed to get sorted out. No want money.
Hold on. You come here for find Shanice or you come here for talk about money? Which one?
Me come here to talk about it. Two of them.
Listen.
I come and talk about the two of them. Because remember, you know, I don't like some, you know, love me niece them, but you see, money is a root of evil.
Listen.
But me are not evil, you know. But me love money, girl. Without money, here is nothing.
But
So you tell me, say.
I don't know me feel so you're good somebody. Don't make me change from the type of person.
Hey, girl, let me tell you something.
You call me girl?
Hey, girl, let me tell you something.
Why you that call
Well,
me
girl, let me tell you something, you know. I know me make a can breed, you know. I know me make a mule.
So Jacka tell us that me can breed?
I know me make a can breed. So girl, let me bust out everything right now, you know.
So bust out everything now?
Don't let me bust out everything right now.
Eh?
Jacko!
No can't take out the money stress for me.
Jacko!
Just to go work and get your own.
Come out of the house, Janko.
You come here want to take my man money if you go my...
You need to go breathe for the man.
No worry about that.
Take it to Jim Bowling them from the yard.
Why me
want
take
money.
them?
Jacko, come out of the house. Dirty Jacko. Jacko, come out of the house.
Eh?
Girl, me not hear you, no. Me not listen to you. Me not hear no more you say. Jacko, come out of the house. Jankro. I know you don't sort me out. Crosses, pestilence.
So money really come here about and the man and...
Jacko!
And he niece there can't find.
Jacko! You know something I like you dirty man.
So them a type of life you want me to live? No, them a type of life you want me to live.
No, me not like you no dirty man.
Your sister go come here and call me mule?
No,
you tell her sister so me can't breed. Why you would do a thing like that?
I never
My sister you ready for me dead, you know. My sister you go make me drop down, you know.
Take time.
You go kill me before me
Just
time.
take
But
time,
it's
go.
alright. Let me go!
Just relax now, man.
Let me go!
Just take time, go on.
Go in the house, mule. Go in the house. Boy, you run for call it, me girl, say me slung.
Just
Nice
relax.
and comfortable.
Come on yourself, so. Eh?
I couldn't be one come fight.
Just calm down. See?
I remember a girl me give some. I'm gonna take one of my long foot.
Just relax now, Lord have mercy. Just relax, man.
Dirty Jacko, come! I mind the girl Jack down. Jacko, me not understand the style, you know.
What you want?
What
What you want from me? You want mash me taste don't mash up my life? Eh? What happened?
Oh, you not gonna start me with the money.
Me what? Since 2 days ago? Everything for change? Eh?
Me not understand you.
2 days now. And you want money. Extra money. Alright, let me tell you something, Karen. You need to understand, say, what you do right now is very wrong. Because you keep on come here and you know so the woman now can't have pitney. See? And you just bring it in face. Eh? So, remember say you are pitney but you give them up, you know?
So?
The man take your pitney and fly out.
You're lucky, that is a good man. That is a good man to turn up to responsibility and check in pitney. Me boss out in a car. Hey, you see me, Karen? Me go and go tell the girls, hey, them pitney they are fair, you go and like say them pitney are not fair. Hey, Jacko, don't play me, Jacko, come. Walk out the money, Jacko. Jacko, come. And you see it, Sean can't find, you know? Shanice cannot find.
What do you mean Shanice can't find? What are you talking about?
Shanice cannot find. Me get a call say Shanice missing. Shanice cannot find her. No. To today day, me not see Shanice.
Shanice?
Your daughter. But me not worry, because guess what? I go leave some money at Shanice there.
So how you come just for money? And you know, it's like you don't care about Shanice. So hold on, which part sitting there? Which part Riri there? Which part Riri? You go and pop that crocodile tears because you never ball one day in your life yet. Our mommy a murder with lick.
Me don't say that again, brother. So me not care about them. Me not say that, brother. But me care about money too. You not say that, bro.
Listen, don't talk to her about the money. And when the money forward, I'm not even mountain yet. We have 2 more weeks left for the full circle of everything. If it's the full cycle, I say circle. Me I talk madness now.
Because anyone that was a chat about when cycle out done and when cycle out come and them they sitting there, you see it.
Alright, find Shanice and then we have a deal. The only way you can actually why am I tell a story? It's a come like a
control the data them.
I'm if you control
them,
you
can't hide the one and putting them from the woman.
Take time talk now.
You can't hide the one responsibilities.
Because you know how she's sensitive about picking her, she can't pick me, and then every time you talk about this situation you make it worse.
Why
are you doing this to me, Karen? Eh? Why you doing this to me, Karen? When you walk all the way coming and say no, and you hear some you couldn't call me from when I hear from last night, yesterday when? Nobody no tell me nothing.
From last night. Hey, Jacko, let me tell you something, Jacko. Shanice, there are some man yard. And Riri know too. Riri know too. That's why you see Riri now to kill up himself.
You know, some me here say, Riri, I connect with that boy named Willie.
Which Willie? Fat Willie?
Me here say she ask Willie kind of information because which day when me I walk from around from Fimi yard, I see she walk down one lane where I know Fimi lane and then she said to me say she forward. But the little birdie I tell me say Riri I collect money from this little boy named Willie. Eh? I know hear the whole full story I walk on. Me here say some money business a thief up. Some money thief up from around sitting in the yard. What's his name again? First name is Shan. You know the big nothing me Shanice.
That's a Marga Shan.
Marga Shan. What deal with the bank? What a damn boy name again? Banknote woman. Cause banknote supposed to get money now. Save money if you can actually go buy furniture them in the house. Cause a long time I sleep on ground. So you want to buy furniture them now and then give you money and really go in the house and thief it and a flask. Can you imagine this thing? Eh? So that I go on right now. But me need you to find Shanice. When you find Shanice, then me give you some money. Right now, me need to left me yard. Please take your time, walk back
so
where you
why
come
you can't
from.
go find him too?
Because of you response for her. That's why me pay you money. When me pay you for then?
You're not paying more money for
So what me never pay until next week next 2 weeks from now.
Hey, Jacko, don't play me. Say, if me find Shanice, Jacko, I gonna give me money, Jacko. Me say, me make it on one ballad, man.
This a boy, yeah?
Don't ramp with me, no, Jacko. Jacko, if me can't hold every chim, me pay a man for chim, Jacko. Don't play with me. And me sink and make a guy jail and make them chim in there. Don't play with me, Jacko. Jacko.
I don't even know who you talk to.
Watch out, I don't even know who me I talk to.
You know who you talk to?
You know, say Karen not afraid of no girl, no boy.
You really
you know that, Jacko.
Word on the street say you's a junking woman and your head gone, you're done when you're ready. But today you come like a true, your head gone and you're done right now. Listen to me.
Fully Jamal.
Take time, walk one way I go.
Fully Jamal.
Take time,
Remember
find her, call me, and then we can talk.
Alright, now, sister, later, yeah? Oi. No, we just, alright, later.
Go on, see when I come in. Yes, babe.
Come here.
Me I come.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy.
Yeah, you hear me? That's the reason I have to send a baby girl. Right now, I live more and you have to come and live with me. I want to wake up and I see a beautiful face every morning. Nah, man, think about it. Riri, you know something like you're slim and you're pretty and everything. Are you feeling I'm a bed for real? Just think about it, man. Bad girl, I must be Riri. Yo, it's easy, you know.
Willie.
Alright.
Willie.
What happened?
How long me your friend?
Long time.
So if a long time, or you not call me and give me no money?
Take time talk loud.
Willie, me will load up, you know.
Listen.
Willie.
Listen. Take time talk loud. You can't make it. Hey, all the whole heap of people hear about you already, you know. All the way down stinking high place. Yo, me say everybody, all people in the normally deal with me, they see me. Willie. Everybody a call to me through the yes me and money.
Willie. I can't miss that carry man call Rob. I make them say Willie.
What this man?
Let me tell you
No,
something.
you love me too much. You will never do that.
Willie, how long you walk?
I walk from a barn.
Alright, just say I walk foot. Right now it's a bike if you buy a bridging. You don't try to walk foot.
You know, say a real sitting here just said to me, 100,000 my brother for the year.
So you chat
I
to
tell you
love
something,
now.
just spend my money so you would.
So you chat to love
No,
everybody
okay,
here.
it's sensible to me a while ago.
Willie, you know, so you not take life serious.
I true, me not take it
You
serious.
proud
It's
of
true.
Willie,
You know, so what you just said to me a
Really?
while ago. Hey, not do your friend that, man.
Willie, I want to hang you. Willie, why you feel me money and really don't call me? Oh, Willie.
Alright, watch you now.
Willie.
Here me I go do it now. Me and you go over shop. And me I go buy you 2 craving here and buy you 2 special. And make it easy yourself. You say something good to me, so me take your money by bike.
Okay, so me a craving here, girl, special girl now. Willie,
No.
if I carry 100,000, we friendship broke. Willie, like how you want to go buy one bike, come me just put in your head with him. Me want one and then 150 too. Matter of fact, me want 200. So what you say?
Alright, watch you now. I go sleep on it. No sleep on it. I go sleep. No, you're a good girl, you know. Get me wrong, you know. Don't get me wrong, you're a good girl. But me I go sleep on it. You give me a great idea.
Will
You
you
know, so me buy one for 2. Other day, my virgin then show up me and tell me say I'm selling bike. She hear say me have money. Me I tell me say I don't want a bike. Me good, me will walk my foot. But you just give me a good idea for you. Me have to get a bike for you.
Willie, where your money go?
My money go, me tell you something. Alright, me I'll give you 10 cents. But me still I go buy you a drink.
10 cents in a what?
10 cents, you know mean 10 cents, you know mean 10
Want
dollar
10,000?
Eh?
Willie, me no want no 10,000.
You know my money them big. I mean 10 cents.
Willie, just give me $100 US. I'm a good, Willie.
$100 US?
I'm a good. And call it a deal.
I go drink and we think about
Alright,
it.
forward. We not think about nothing.
Yo, Barry, you hear me, man? Check in. Barry, say look more.
Hello.
Here. Yeah, man, round.
Who want me to talk?
Yeah, round in 7 o'clock. Yeah. Alright.
So, you know what I say?
Free?
I can't find Shanice.
What this, man? So, what me go do about that?
Well, because you're in the streets, I wonder if I see her.
No, me no see her. Only thing me see right now is my money in my pocket. Me no see Shanice.
You never ask about your money in your pocket.
You know, so me no like how you move low
I
car.
ask about my sister, I not ask about money in your pocket.
Listen to me, I say. You come check me other day and me give you 10 cents and you move like you don't want forward for the rest of 10 cents. You know?
That's not money. What you give me other day is no money. That's a chump change. That can't keep good unless I go buy nothing good for them.
That you don't know, you know. I'm not ungrateful, you know.
How me ungrateful? How me attack the truth?
So, why you mean raise if going look for me? Boy, your sister?
Yes.
No, me not do them that type of work. But if me see her in the street, though, me will tell her, you say, come back home.
Really and truly, I want a place me come to you about.
What go on?
Me really need a place.
Then a long time if you forward and tell me that, man, what kind of place you need? Talk to me.
Something for rent.
Baby girl, listen me and say, no, right time I come check me. Cause look here, now. I 800,000 me have for another day, you know. Me I walk around in my pocket today and my bra for 100,000 other night, you know. Regular day, you know.
So I don't know.
Me have my money, man.
So, a place we are talking about.
Hold on.
I want to call you.
I know my line kind of busy, but I don't answer the call, you know. But listen to me and say, you know. Anywhere you want to stay, me can make you stay. If you want me rent off a villa, I make you stay there for any amount of time.
Yes, the villa sound good. But make sure you can pay the rent.
Listen to me,
because you sound broke.
Watch China, man. I tell you, if I 800,000 me have in my pocket to walk with for another day. You know, here. I'm spend off 100 brick. Me spend off 300 brick for you right now. You see a little and cute, you know. Are you there in my bed, you know?
Oh, and that means I'm
So listen to me. Watch China, man. Let's find a place.
I find a place already. I have money around right now. Money
so which part you find?
Eh?
Which part you find?
Which part I find it?
Yeah. No, where you find a place?
A place is a scheme. It's a scheme house.
Alright, just send me a number on my phone. I make me deal with the transaction. So you can move in and enjoy it.
I'm moving as soon as possible.
Alright now. But hold on. Where they living?
My auntie Karen.
So what happen now?
Remember say she a junkie, you know. I can't bother with that beer when she take money and drink. All this morning, a rum bar she go.
Yo,
come like your phone in my hotline,
all of my
man.
line them busy. Me I tell you about. No, so they call you now. Kind of money call them. The way say you going now?
The house.
Yeah, me I deal with
So
it,
come
man.
on.
You deal with it, man. You don't know anything from me.
So come on.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So get up and come on.
Yeah, 10 cents, you know. Look like nobody not to live over here. I wonder if I can get over here for free.
Yeah. What we are there? You know what I know somebody like live near us Barry.
Which
And I know Barry.
Broke Barry.
No, Barry not broke.
What you
Barry
mean?
not broke. Man, are you broke and I say Barry broke.
So what here can't get place? So you can't talk about Willie broke. A style Willie. What you know, man?
Me not style
No,
Willie.
listen now. Yes, see Barry. Barry nah no money. I regular, I remember say I'm clear off Barry bill around our shop, you know.
The one
Remember say
time
me
I
thing
clear off-
large, you know.
the one
Yo,
time I
one
clear
night time I'll pay Barry rent. I run there so run him out of
The
film
one time I
place.
play off Barry Billy at hype.
No man, a regular day man. Me I tell you say I got money, you know. Me have whole heap of money. Between me and you. You know say I want brand new bike I go see me pan. Come here tell you about my money, them in my money not ordinary.
But I want to see a brand new bike this
No, listen. You see next time when I come pick you up and I walk, me and walk. When I pick you up and you vroom, vroom, put up on the back and you know what I style? That's slim and nice. You put up on the bike.
Yeah, but I know that me a talk about. I be a slim and nice. I the house me a talk about.
No man.
Oh, nobody in the day have to come
No
talk
man
to
up on
me.
the gate and I could have called. So we have to just walk again and see if we find someone. Number of them know so we can call. We'll just walk
Some
again.
of the things say this a house here. You have me a walk up and down look right house. Yeah. That one that look nice. I wonder.
I tell you say, me can go get more money in a car. Me tell you say my money there in a
But me know
little
them have got to take out the old one then. You look good with the old
man,
one.
all them me can fix up and stay so. Come and say you go on one of them to drive or something.
Some see.
Barry! What gentleman?
What channel one?
What
What channel one?
What Barry?
Yeah, no, yo, me say, man, say, I'm going to check, boy. He roast some
Are you all that down, man?
I some breadfruit, me can't give me, man.
I think I lock down, man.
You really lock down business. See that? But you know, it's a different door. I want to see you from when you bro.
What you want to do? Congrat me again and tell me to respect for PA bill?
No, man, none of that.
What go on?
Yesterday, Manda from my bar.
You get her now?
No, man, she called me and say, some money thief down a Shan yard. And sitting and me and say, what? How money if you get thief down a Shan yard? And sitting. You see me? So me not hear the full story yet because she go serve somebody.
Yeah. So let me ask you one question now. When you are saying I get to hear the full story, what make you want to see me?
Because you normally run there, you look at say you probably hear too, the full story.
You know say I want madman do Barry. How me feel look my sister? Something wrong with you? What wrong with that person?
Me say you look man that
No.
I don't know if it's man that call you.
Listen to me I say
And
now.
tell her his story.
Listen, because you come like you accuse me now. We are try say, me take my sister money.
Really? Oh, me fi accuse you.
So now tell me them the story then. Me no want to hear them the
I
story
know
then.
about it.
Me no want to hear them the story then.
What channel, man? Me hear you. I hear me hear.
Yo, listen to me I say. You know say, little friend this one new machine I go see me a rev out pan. Me have a little nice girl and me I talk to Willie. You know, one Willie badness.
She buy her bike.
She go buy me a bike you out of that me I tell you.
What channel, man?
What channel man? That me I tell you. Listen, one of them machine for rev out pan to come on.
Anything, bro. Anything I buy my bicycle.
What channel man? You deal with it right man. Yeah man.
But will me whoops up in the dog and then next minute, yeah, a different story.
100,000 me blow down on a bar right night, you know. 100,000 me blow down.
Like so?
Yeah, man, I just spend money, sir.
Are you gonna call me?
No, watch on man. You don't know what
You never call me and say you buy 2 fever or something.
No, listen. That, the fever then get in my brain. The next morning I wake up, me a fever, I vomit, but through my money tall. I just call one doctor and I get little medication and I'm good and sitting there now.
So what you do on yourself?
I just pass, I say I pass through. Because through a long time I don't see neither. I know more of the pass stress. So I say one time I pass stress, I
I'm going to go check, man. You see?
One time I can check Marcy and
she
even
said me too young. I say, Mama, you want a young study in your life. You give the young working. But she behave too strong one time. So I just left. But that's two breadfruit I carry with
you. She can give me one of them too. And I breadfruit them over there.
See?
Oh God. Nothing wrong. Sharing is caring.
Really? You really would have go beg back the breadfruit when me pick and carry up there? What kind of style that?
Where you going?
What kind of style that?
You be 2 room in the night and what?
You be 2 room?
Yeah, but watch you now. Go on down there, I forward. I meet her down there. I meet her down there.
You meet me around there?
I meet her down there.
Really?
No, watch you now.
Tell me say I'm going to go around there wait like I eat it.
No. Watch you now, man. You see like how we normally pay a flask of rum down there and special.
Yeah.
I want Hennessy, yeah. Just order one Hennessy and tell them, say, Willie.
What name, so?
You know Hennessy? I them the rum there, scammer them drink, man. Hennessy, order one of them.
How 2 minutes, scammer?
So who was spending money?
What you don't want?
Spending money.
What you don't
So
want? Alright,
me I tell you.
me I go around there.
Order Hennessy and tell them, say, Willie. One Willie badness.
One Willie say if you give me a NSC.
Me and you come drink Hennessy, me a forward.
Alright.
Watch
Me
you
a
now,
look
man.
board. Me a look board.
Me a look board. Watch you now, man. Yo, watch you now, man. Wait,
Want to talk to you,
Me no talk and don't touch.
Willie want to talk to you,
Where you say?
You know, say, you take the money,
And what this, man? You take your eye them after me.
you take you, Willie. Watch out. Willie. Satan text me and tell me, Jesus Christ, dream me and tell me, you take me money.
Yo.
Me 800,000.
And for your money, or for my sister. You know, say actually you want to run me out of my sister yard, you tell lie for me.
Oh, so you confess you take me 800,000 to buy the furniture them.
Yo, you see if me a thief, me not a thief from my family them. So stop walk and tell lie for me, but you see me take money.
But you no thief from your family, you thief from me ain't know nothing.
Me no like no money, me say if you see me. You did it when me take it. You see me take it.
Willie, you not take the money.
Me not take no money.
Have you buy the furniture them? Alright, give me back half of the money then.
No, see me pocket, take out the money. Can you see me with the money? Take out the money.
So 800,000 can't hold in us, so. Eh? Are you taking money, Willie?
Yo, you know what I'm not going to no more.
And your sister take up for you.
Make me hate you as a brother in line. Me know I no more talking with you,
Why your brother in
You know,
law?
yo.
Me and your brother in law.
You see,
Why?
You, my sister for you left you too, because you're a thief. Are you take it? You're a thief. You.
Oh, me for thief.
Yo, just avoid me here. Avoid me.
Me no
So
know
you see
why
me-
you going to this family. I find.
What are you? What are you?
Christ.
Banknote, what are you? What you come here to argue with Willie about money for? What do you?
So you warn me because me I defend me
Whoa,
money
me say
from
that.
the thief.
Right.
Are you taking
you?
you?
Oh, you know say money missing. Huh? Oh, what make I never me go there and say money no miss?
So
What make I happy
okay.
you?
Okay. Are you take it then? Can me take it?
Oh.
And none of him take
All
it.
my sister got thief in own money.
Bro, make him turn.
So no one gang me then. No one gang me from.
about him and a sis.
You give me something and alright, even if I did my brother take him money, where you argue for? I know me fear argue.
If I
Tell him to give him back half of the money
No,
then.
bro. No, me no, bro. Oh God, bro. Bro, me never say you take him. Me just say what?
Why you take up for him? Why you take up for him? Because of your brother. Why you not take up for me?
Yeah, me say if you lower your voice.
Oh,
Jesus
Jesus Christ.
Let me
Father
deal
God.
with
Yeah,
it.
me I go back.
No, banknote, don't come over here and argue with Willie.
Banknote in him and a thief money.
Hey,
Thief in Willie.
hey, me feel say you take him money. Take Willie out of this thing. Why me feel like say you? For sure. As Willie sister it come to me. Me not just saying that.
You not trust me. My 800,000 what me a save.
But
Fi
you
buy
can't-
furniture and me
you
thief
can't-
my money.
You can give me it with promises and come back for it. I don't trust you. That me say, we don't trust you.
You see a 800,000 there.
How we told you?
You can't keep it.
Oh,
Cause me in
no,
the wrong
are you
family.
happy?
Me in the wrong
So
family.
why you did come in here for the nobody did invite you and say banknote come. Nobody who did invite you.
Jesus Christ,
Door up.
Father
See me
God.
about belly ache, belly running. Why you have belly ache and belly running over my money when you give me? You should. I should I not have all the belly ache.
Father
I'm in a
God.
have it. I'm a don't have it.
Jesus Christ. You know say me make a wrong decision.
With what?
You know say either you are junking Karen, but me don't know why me pick you or you me pick. But let me tell you something. You see a 800,000 there, me I go lose it
Junking
just to get you
who?
out of my life.
Junking who?
Junking Karen.
Oh, not the junkie there. Here where you want to come class me with junking. Junking. Me look like junkie to you. Now compare me with no junkie. Left me hard. But 800,000 go. A long time I live, so I don't really know. You can't go on like say, my brother Willie a thief. Not me eat like somebody try to brainwash me. You see this? Me control it, not you or any others. Come go on like
Father
you're a
God.
thief.
Me make a wrong decision, you know.
Say you not go
Sure,
on.
me should have take junking Karen because I know say I want to thief from me, but
not
you
think
see
about
800,000 me
money
lose.
same way. You
No worry
not think
yourself,
about
man.
money.
You see you and Willie. You see you and Willie. What goes around, come back around. You soon done, you know, because I don't like hairstyle. Oh, Lord God, Father God.
Oh, Lord God, Father God.
You know something I like your style though. Cause friend you get it 10 cents of the day, you know. Me can't see you come back and check me. Like you know I want that 10 cents. Remember my money is small, you know. Watch you know, man. Just give me a link. No. Me now go come around on this side. Yeah.
My brother.
Alright.
My brother.
What my sis?
Me there. Me not even feel good.
I'm here.
Go. Come here.
So you call me the right so you
Look
make
here. One more ask is, you see? Me have some money in my jar. 800,000 for buy me just a set.
so you buy here now?
Me can't find my money, my brother. Me don't know where money and me here live.
Watch you know, man. Listen to me, say sis. What you try to say to me now, sis?
So why you come down
No,
so
sis, come
ignorant for me
Come here,
for?
sis. Turn up back right here. Yeah, your brother reason.
Nay.
Listen to me, say now.
Mm.
Me and you live together.
Right.
You're my sister.
Right.
Remember saying, you know, when you deal with the furniture business, you know.
A year for me was
And me and you deal with it. So you make it look like me and go thief your money.
Yes,
And what this, man?
I told me can't find you and you alone.
No, sis, not do that, man.
Everybody I say you are willing to take your money.
No, man. Tell
Man,
them
they
to
say you come and embark on. Sit down.
Watch you, man. Listen, you see the spending I'm a grown man that go spend. I want my little girlfriend and call me and give me a 10 cent.
I'm here, say. Your flash, Riri.
Sis.
How you get? You're not get sister money where you have your brother give
No, man. Watch you, man. Don't worry yourself,
So
man.
brother.
That's the next time you carry food, come
So,
get.
bro, I buy, can I?
No, man. You know, son, I'm a virgin. So you gone for a little work, so I have it for a day and move round and move round.
Oh, what more I ask you? Where you think your money could have gone?
Why, sis, to tell you the truth.
No,
You come
sir.
like rat in a house. Rat. I don't know.
Like-
You put cheese. You put cheese in your money?
No,
You sure you're not putting a little cheese in a jar? I know you ever buy a little snacks them.
No, me
God,
not
that's
even
a rat to
eh,
the
no.
harbour in there.
Willie, me not even eating in my room. I mean, never, when me I put on money, me I never greasy.
Well, me don't know. Why? Me don't even know if you tell us this. Maybe if you want a smelly teeth for
You
them.
all of them a tell me, say, are you taking money because you have
Me?
the class?
I will never do that.
Me know, bro.
Yo, you're my sister, you know.
Me know
And you know
that.
your brother love you, I'll never steal from you.
Me know that.
I will never thief from
Hey,
you.
that me I say,
You get it?
long time.
I eat me a look, boss.
I don't
Can't do
know
that,
say.
man.
You don't know, say, my man come around this today and I say, we have belly running, headache, because in going on my jaw, my pass and in going on my jaw, and in my son.
I am techie. I am techie. I am techie. Sis, listen to me, I say no. I him techie. I him techie.
You know, say I circle a boy.
I him techie. You get it?
Long time.
I him techie.
You have running belly.
You mad man, me?
Oh, if you have running belly, you have a sit where you
I will never take your money.
I believe you.
Sis, I don't even want to hear about that. Me more than mine I get it, but do you want me to go check him?
Right now.
You want to ride the bike over there?
Go turn the bike and forward.
What, son, man?
Me I wait for you.
Come on, sis. You lie them and tell for me, you know.
I got me a set to go.
Come on, sister. Cause the boy they feel like he can ramp with you. Arm to him, sister.
That more I want to.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.